Hi guys, today we are looking at the adverb how. How is an adverb which has many possibilities. First, it can modify the meanings of several sorts of words. And today in this lesson, we will learn the different meanings it can have when modifies an adjective or an adverb. So please keep watching because you need to learn all of these other possibilities with the adverb how. And now let's go to class. Firstly, the adverb how is used to indicate a degree, a quantity, an age of a person, some dimensions, distances, prices. In fact, the list is endless. And now let's see some words. Often. How often? Often means frequently. Like if you see your friends every day, you see each other often. How often do you play golf? Heavy. How heavy? Here, how is used to determine the weight of a person or things around us. It is right to say, how heavy are you? Or how much do you weigh? And for things around us, how heavy is a suitcase? And here are some commonly confused English words. High and tall. How high and how tall? We always use tall when we describe the height of a person. My brother is taller than me. Tall generally refers to the height measured from the ground. And we use high to indicate a point in the air. For instance, Tom is tall and the plane is flying high. Far. How far? Used to ask about the distances of people, things, and places. For instance, how far is the train station? Long. How long? Used to indicate a duration of time and the length in measurement. Let's see the examples below. How long does it take to boil an egg? And how long is the Great Wall of China? In the above examples, we're simply indicating two things. First, a duration of time. Secondly, the length in measurement. And fast. How fast? Used when talking about speed of people and things. And also, we can use how fast to describe abilities. For example, how fast can you type? And here comes another set of some commonly confused English words, many and much, plus the adverb how many, and how much. Let's take how many. How many is used when we want to know the quantity of something. It is only used with plural countable nouns, things around us which are countable. How many plus plural nouns. And let's see some examples. How many days are there in December? And how many cousins do you have? And next is how much. How much is also used when we want to know the quantity of something. How much is used with uncountable nouns, those things around us which are uncountable. So, how much plus uncountable nouns. And again, let's see some examples. How much sugar would you like in your coffee? And how much salt do we need? And next is the word old. How old? Used to ask the age of a person and things around us like cars, buildings, or infrastructures. And let's consider the examples below. How old is Tom? And how old is that tall building? Secondly, the adverb how may also be used with all of these adjectives: clear-sighted, lazy, important, good, hard, difficult, tiring, and tired. The adverb how plus these adjectives gives them a new meaning. How clear-sighted, how lazy, how important, how good, how hard, how difficult, how tiring, and how tired. And let's consider the examples below. How clear-sighted is he? He is so clear-sighted. And how lazy this boy is. This boy is so lazy. And lastly, the adverb how can introduce an exclamative form, how tired you are, or an interrogative form, how tired are you? Of course, the order of the word, subject plus verb, or verb subject, is then what will guide you. Thank you so much, guys, for all of your support, the likes, the comment, the sharing of my videos, and your support to make this channel even more bigger. I'm still counting on you. Please subscribe and stay connected for more interactive English lessons from Speak English with John. See you again next time. Bye.